Hey everybody, Dr. Mike Bernard here, and the question is, can chiropractic improve my posture? The short answer, yes. The long answer is, well, it's going to take a lot of work, both on my part, but on your part. So chiropractic does phenomenal things to help realign the spine, to get it moving, to get it doing what it's supposed to do. But there's also a brain to body neurological component that we have to address. We have to retrain your body. And if you don't do the things that we ask you to do, and we don't do the exercises and the stretches and the posture training, then it's going to be a lot harder to actually correct your posture. But for those people who actually follow through, man, the results are amazing. People have amazing changes with their posture. So yes, we can fix your posture, but it does take a lot of work and your input.